Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the MacBook Air 13-inch battery. So yeah, be careful out there when you guys purchase this kind of battery. You want to go ahead and then unbox it and then install it. After installation, if you need to reset your system, you want to go ahead and do that, and you want to go ahead and charge it up fully and start using it. Try to turn up the keyboard at the highest level and also the brightness. You're going to monitor the battery level and watch the percentage drop. There are two other batteries that I purchased for my MacBook 13 Pro, which is early or the late 2011. And then the battery is just dropped down from either 40% down to 25% so quickly, or 25% to 7% right away. So I purchased this and I'm going to monitor it after I fully charge it, and you're gonna do the discharging. So with the other battery, I got it for free because I told the seller, and the sellers tried to insist that I wasn't doing correctly. There's no way I cannot do it correctly because I reset the battery too. So here's a laptop battery user manual. So it says please discharge the battery to 2% and then charge fully 100% at first cycle after purchasing it. And it says do not discharge the battery pack to 0%, as that will damage the battery pack and shorten its life. And then it says it must be charged up to 70% for a long time storage. So if in case you're gonna put your laptop away and not use it for a while, you want to have at least 70%. And it says never take out the battery from the laptop when it's being charged or discharged. And here's some cautions. And then warning. So this one comes with the two of the tools. Looks like a different type of torque screwdriver. And here's the battery pack. Got the red sticker, warning or cautions on there. Yeah, I'm not sure because the ad, it shows like a gold color, and this one they send is like a white. And this one's made in China. There's like a bubble here. Then here's the connector. Well, doesn't mean new is good. So yeah, you just need to go ahead and charge it up. Well, drain it to 2%, and then charge it up to 100%, and then do the test from there. And then there are the screw right here, here, and here that you need to remove. Well, this one's already peeling off or something. Oh no. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.